I'm excited for this one. Alright, welcome back, welcome to my channel. My name is Tori, and today I have an update for the Alice in WonderPAN Project Pan. This is a fantastic ladies collab that was created by Alyshia. She'll be listed down below, as well as the master list for this rolling Project Pan. Very excited to share this late update because, well, maybe late, I did hit my goals on some of the items I've been waiting to hit the goals on. If that makes sense. So, the first goal that was complete was for Queen of Hearts, a product that dominates your collection. So I picked the Fenty Beauty Fenty Glow lip gloss. My goal was to use this 10 times, and I hit those 10 uses on August 21st. I love this little guy. I just love it. Now I gotta hide it from me so I don't try to finish it right away. Next prompt that was finished is Who Are You? A product where you don't know where it came from. So I picked the Urban Decay Whiskey eyeliner. My goal in this project was to use it 5 times, and I hit that goal on September 10th. Technically after the update, but I'm a little late, so it counts. It works. I've had a lot of fun using whiskey this past month. And then I finally hit my goal on White Rabbit, a product you were late buying. I have the Ofra Cloud 9 highlighter. My goal with this item was to use it 30 times, and it needed 12 uses since the last update, and I hit those 12 uses today, the day I'm filming this, which is September 12th. Love it. Honestly, I feel like I could hit pan in it soon. I might try to the next project I throw this in, which is very exciting. So before I talk about what is getting rolled in, I'm going to talk about the 2 items remaining. So the first thing is for Cheshire Cat, and it's a lip product. So I have this Melt mini lipstick in Frisky. Since the last update, I only used it once. I've been bad at lip products, again, like specifically liquid lipsticks and bullet lipsticks. I've been loving lip balm and lip oil, but not the bullet. So need to work on that. Hopefully it gets a little colder, so I actually keep lipstick in front of me and not hidden, because I'm terrified of everything melting and going expired, because that's what happened last year. And then the last item that we have to talk about before the roll ends is for the prompt Not All Who Wander Are Lost, a product you discovered by accident or wandered upon randomly. So the LA Girl Glitterholic Topper, there you go. I knew I had the name memorized somewhere up here. And Hollow Glam. I am wearing it today in the center of my lid, but I didn't put that much on, so you can't really tell. My goal with this item is to use it 10 times in this project. Since the last update, I've used it 4, so it has 3 more uses left to go. So this definitely will get rolled out by the next update. Very excited. I've had fun using this. I kind of want to hit pan. Can you see that dip? Like, is that noticeable on camera? I kind of want to hit pan by the next update too. Might not happen, but I might try. I'm gonna try my hardest. So, the new items. New items rolling in. So, the first thing rolling in is the prompt, Why is a raven like a writing desk? And it's a Gimme product. So, I'm pouring in a Biore nose strip. I don't have a lot of samples, so my Gimmes are really sheet mask. And these, because I use these at least once a month. I did already use mine for the month. So don't know if this will be finished by the next update. Maybe. We'll see how I'm feeling about my pores. Next, I have the prompt Off With Her Head, and it's a hair care item. So I have the Hask Argan Oil leave-in spray. Leave-in conditioner detangler. My goal is just to use this 10 times. It's pretty much brand new. I only really use it when I need it. So I was thinking maybe 5, but I think I'm going to stick with 10. And then another item that will be in till the end of the project is for the prompt, Why Sometimes I Believe as Many as 6 Impossible Things Before Breakfast. And it's a product with an impossible goal. My goal is to finish the CoverGirl liquid lipstick. This is in the shade 621. It came in a duo that I tried from Influencer a long time ago. So I don't remember the name of the duo off the top of my head. God, those birds are so loud. My goal is to finish it. I don't think that's going to happen. I don't even think I'm going to reach for this. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. That is the current state of my project. I'm going through this really well considering it doesn't end till next March. Yeah, I don't have that many prompts left. So very excited to see how everything goes, and yeah, I'm really having fun with this one. So, my God, you can't see her, but you can see a part of her. You can see Alice's little bow behind my lighter and the thing. This is for candles. I actually don't even use this because I'm terrified of lighters. But my little Alice Funko Pop. It's right back here. This is, oh God, she's dusty. Yeah, she been through it. This was one of my first ones I got because I love Alice. She's dirty. I gotta clean her. What the heck happened? Anyway, she's hidden back here with Peter Pan, and then Sailor Moon with Luna, who that my rabbit bit the wand off. R.I.P. Pepper, but you were a little mean for that one. And then nice little black Power Ranger. Those are the ones that are no longer kept pristine. That aside, don't forget to check out everyone else doing this project. And if you enjoy me, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and all that jazz. And peace out, Girl Scout.